Okay, so we're going to look at Generative Expand. So basically, to get the Generative Expand working, we need to go to our crop tool. Okay, so our crop tool 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You'll know it's active when you see these handles. So people automatically come to the corners here, but we're just going to go to one side here. So if you can imagine, for example, you wanted to make this into a square photo. I mean, we can do our 1:1 ratio here, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to just gauge it by eye here, okay? So I want to make this into a square picture. All I do now is I go Generative Expand, okay? I don't type anything in here. I'm just allowing Photoshop to generate this extra area on the right and left hand side. So it'll take a moment. So as you can see, it's generated 3 options for me here. I can either come down here, toggle between the 3, 1, 2, 3, or I can do it over here. Okay, now do note that when I use this Generative Expand, I now have my image on 2 layers. Okay, so just to bear that in mind. So if, for example, I wanted to make like a color change to my picture, I would need to hold Shift, click, and then right click, merge layers, and then I can do something like an image adjustments. And for example, if I wanted to do a brightness and contrast, now it applies to the whole picture and not just either side or the centerpiece.